Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to discuss theme of novel Joseph Andrews. What were the major themes of the Joseph Andrews? Themes we know uh, a central idea, message, the important point of discussion or the important points of novel or what we call it perception of writer which he want to express in front of the reader. Themes are not directly stated, but these are inferred. First of all, the major theme which is in Joseph intro is theme of hypocrisy. In this novel, there is a theme of hypocrisy, and the character which show theme of hypocrisy are Lady Booby and Sir and Slipslop. So in this novel, hypocrisy there is hypocrisy of high class, elite class, because everyone has a right, everyone has a state, and everyone has a opportunity, and everyone has luxurious life, but no one is ready to give safety to the poor. As the Joseph was a handsome boy, so the girls, even ladies, want to have a relationship with him, so they are involved with servant, what we call it sexuality, but not wanted to give the cooperation which should be helpful for him. So there to in the episode of the stagecoach, we can see how well of people, religious people, only think about themselves, and they come with excuses not to help Joseph. So even in by this line, after this we know that even the religious people, in the chapter of Adams, when Adam take the loan to the person take loan back with his own rate and come up with the excuses, in particularly among the travelers. And then there is a lady who pretends to be shocked at the thoughts of the naked man, because at once Joseph was naked, but the girl didn't help him. So, by this, we can see hypocrisy of the lady and the hypocrisy of the person. Now, there is theme of charity. In the episode of Stagecoach, only one of the traveler, the position display real compassion for Joseph's terrible state by giving him a coat. As we know, Joseph was injured and he was naked. He was in very helpless situation. No one was here to ready to help him out. That was very terrible state of him. No, because no one was there to give him a coat. Only a postilion gave him a coat. In the chapter 12, Fielding said that he would rather ride in his shirt all his life than suffer a fellow creature to lie in so miserable condition. So by these lines we can feel how poor he was, how helpless he was. Now there is a theme of chastity. Through the novel, Joseph is throughout the novel, the Joseph is always in struggle for his chastity. This was a very big question. It means that there are some elements, some characters in the society who have the strong character to save his chastity. Otherwise, the rest of the class, especially the luxurious or the elite class, has the elements of the hypocrisy. He avoids women whom he doesn't love. It doesn't mean that if I don't love anyone, I avoid him. He avoid women of such class, a lead class, because he thinks such sexuality is misuse of love, and he thinks that it is abuse of his love to Fanny, because he was loyal with the love of Fanny. He doesn't want to misuse the love with the time past society. That's why he saved his chastity, his love for the Fanny. Then another character, Betty, the maid of the inn, is another example of the chastity. However, Betty's behavior is not completely uninterested. She was attracted by Joseph's beauty. Means that the Betty was a minor character and she got love with Joseph because of the Joseph beauty. She fell in love with him, but she didn't do anything wrong because of her chastity. Now there is a theme of corruption, theme of clergy people, corruption of clergy people. Fielding draw the distinction between the mere formal profession of the Christian doctrine represented by the Trulliber and Barnabas, and that active charity which he considered to Christianity embodied by Adam. In chapter 14, Fielding said that whoever therefore is void of charity, it make no scruple of pronouncing that he is no Christian. So the person who is the representative of any institution, the person would not be corrupted. If the person would be corrupted, then that is a spot on the name of that institution. So it is better to move them from that institution. So these were the theme of Joseph Ingleo's novel. Hope this this topic themes would be clear to all of you. Thank you.